Hi viewers, welcome to our Education Our Thoughts channel. So this is the second class of tenses. In the previous video, we have seen the simple present tense. So let us see today the present continuous tense. So what is that? Present continuous tense. So in this video, let us see the present continuous tense. So what is it to mean? Present continuous tense. Let us see some of the examples like she is eating chocolate. She is eating chocolates. And here you see, he is running. They are going to movie. I am teaching grammar or tenses. I am teaching tenses. So like that, if you see that in this, we can observe that the subject is here. All these are subjects as pronouns as subjects here. And if you observe that this is the verb. This is the verb. And here also verb. And here also verb. So if you observe that this is not root verb. But what is here? Eat plus ing form. Ing, ing. That means V1 form plus ing form came here. So this indicates that action is still going on. That action is going on, not yet completed. So that is why we can understand. But here the helping verbs comes like that, is, am, are, such kind of all these helping verbs, be forms. Nothing but be forms come here. So this is the present continuous tense. If you observe this structure, subject will be there and is, am, are. According to that, is, am, are comes there and V1 form plus ing form plus whenever necessary the object comes there. So this is the structure of the present continuous tense. So you see here, subject she is, because when to use is, when to use am, when to use are, let us see. So when the subject is singular, when the subject is singular, that comes the is. The B form is. Singular means any name, Rama or Sita, he, she, it, this, that. All these indicate that singulars, even a single name, even a single phrase. So comes the singulars. Then you can use here Rama is, Sita is, he is, she is, it is, this is, that is. So like that you can use. When to come am, that is one and only the pronoun comes when I comes. That is one and only. I am. No other. But are for all plurals. R is for all plurals. That means two names like Rama and Sita, isn't it? They, those, these, or any other phrases like the cows. So, like that, for all these things, we use are. They are, those are, these are, the cows are. So, like that comes there. But why do we use that when the action is still going on at present or right now? Then only we can say that action is going on. To indicate that action is going on is, and verb will have that ing form. So this present continuous tense that is very much useful when the action is going on right now. When we talk about that action or some work or something, so that is done, but that is going on, still not yet completed. So when it is like that, we will say in the present continuous tense. Always we have to say about these only, is, am, are, be forms comes there along with verb plus ing form. So this is the structure, and we can see that most of them used for the actions which are going on at present or right now. So that is the thing. I think you have understood it by these examples. You can make more sentences if you want. Now let us see how to make positive sentence, negative sentence, or how to make questioning also. Let us see. This is the actual structure of the present continuous tense. Now let us see that positive sentence. Positive sentence. The positive sentence means we cannot see that no, never, not, such kind of negative words in this sentence. That means subject comes there and is or am or are comes there. That means is means only singular third forms. Am comes only to I and are all for plural. So that and V1 verb base plus ing form plus sometimes object also comes there. This is the positive sentence. Like already we have written that they are talking each other. If you see that they are talking each other, that talking process, that process is still going on. So that ing form is there and it indicates that are indicates at present. Right now, are indicates that present tense. These indicates that present tense. That is like that. So many we can write. Now, what am I doing? Now teaching. I am teaching. You are listening. You are listening to music. That right now what we are doing, listening to music. So that are also indicates that present tense and listening indicates that continuous, that progressive. This is also called as present progressive. What is that? Present progressive. So like that you can see this is positive. But while coming to the point negative sentence, so we can see that what will be there. You see the examples like here, the same. They are not talking. They are not talking. That means here not K. Understand? So this makes that negative. That when you see that I am not going. So that indicates that not again. That indicates that negative. Isn't it? So this is why we can make. Now let us come to the structure, what it might be. So what is there? They and I are the subjects, and am, are, is, am, are plus V1 not is there, and plus V1 plus ing form. What is there whenever the object is necessary? So here you can observe what is the difference that positive sentence and negative sentence. One and only after present B forms we add not to indicate that is negative. Now let us see that what is that? The questioning. Just questioning, both we can make that questioning in this questioning. You see positive sentence also questioning. Here we can bring that these B forms to the first, that means initial words to the sentence, then automatically it becomes a question. So let us see that for example, what is that? They are talking, you are listening to music. So all these, they are not talking like that. You see positive, they are talking each other. They are is there. So that are they talking each other? Are they talking each other? So like that we can make. So because in this helping verb is also that, here also. Now let us see that the structure is, what is there? Are means not only are, is comes there, or am comes there, or are comes there, plus subject here, again V1 plus ing form, and object might be and question mark. So like that we can frame the question in the positive sentence. While coming to the negative questioning, so questioning in negative, in this also same, that is, are, am, are plus subject plus not plus V1 plus ing form comes there plus object and question mark. So in this way we can frame. Now you see that this is the structure. In this am is there. So that we can frame like this. Am. What is the next subject? I is the subject. Am I not going? Am I not going? So like that we can frame the questions also. So this is entirely present continuous tense. Wherever it is necessary to you, you can use in this way. Positive sentence and negative sentence and questioning also you can frame. So I think you have understood very well, and if you have any doubt in this regard, you can comment me in the comment section. And of course, if you do not subscribe till now, just you subscribe and watch our latest videos without fail. I think these may be very much helpful to the spoken English. Thank you very much.